Abakwasiyaphambili projects bakhuthaza abafundi ukuba balandele izifundo zezibalo nezenzululwazi ukuqinisa izakhono zokuhlalutya nokuhlaziya phakathi kolutsha. Ethetha ngexesha lokhuphiswano lwemibuzo yesikolo egxile kwezenzululwazi eLenasia kusasa namhlanje, usihlalo kunye nomseki uFlorence Mweli ugxininisa inkxalabo malunga nenani elikhulayo labafundi abarhoxayo kwizifundo ezinxulumene nezenzululwazi. Uthi abazali, ootishala kunye nabafundi kufuneka basebenzisane ukuphucula ukusebenza kwizifundo ezithathwa njengezibalulekileyo kuphuhliso lwexesha elizayo lwelizwe kunye nokuvelisa kwezinto ezintsha.
Zitholane phezulu izikole ezintathu zaseLenasia South kumqhudelwano wesayensi. Umhleli walomqhudelwano nongumsunguli wenhlangano yesiyaphambili projects uthi ke lokhu kwenzele ukukhuthaza abafundi ukuthi besondele eduze nesayensi kanye nesifundo sezezibalo.
Maths and science is the backbone of the economy, and our economy is shaking because we mainly rely on foreign-based critical skilled people. So we're trying ukuthi abantwana bathande maths and science, because as they grow, besiya phambili befika ku-matric, they drop out. They leave maths, they leave sciences, they go for light courses of which they don't develop in critical skills of which we are lacking in as a country. And going forward, sibone ukuthi they will start to like maths. They will start to put effort, and also the educators, I think they will work together with parents. Remember, it takes a teacher and a parent to raise graduates. So we need a teamwork between umzali, nabantwana, nabanotisha.
Umfundi wesikole ke sihlabene kulomncintiswano eLenasia South Secondary School uthi lo mncintiswano ubanike isizathu sokuqinisa ngamandla ezifundweni zabo.
As a science student, this competition is actually encouraging me to continue in my studies and, you know, just to give me that extra push of at least there's something to compete for, you know, instead of like maybe competing with my school. Now I have a broader range of people to compete with. So yeah, it's effective overall in pushing me.
Kanti ikhansela lika 120 ebeliyingxenye yalomqhudelwano lizwakalise ukujabulela.
Education is very important in our country. Like I was also listening to one of our voice clips saying in South Africa we have scarce skills where abantwana bethu they don't have skills. So this program they are also motivating abantwana bethu ukuthi we must have future pilots, future engineers, and I would like to support such programs. That's why ngiyeke yonke into yami today ukuthi ngikwazi ukuzohlala nabantwana ngikwazi ukubasupport.
Isiyaphambili project ithi ke kuseyinhlelweni zayo ukuthi lo mncintiswano usabalale nezwe lonke ukuze kungeke kube iGauteng kuphela ekhuthazeka ukubeka isayensi eqhulwini. Ezindabeni zeSoweto TV kubika umqondisi Miyeni ngeseLenasia.